Hi, I'm Amina Badar. I am the founder of NIA Pure Nature. I am a chemist, toxicologist. I work for Health Canada for 15 years at the Food Directorate at the Bureau of Chemical Safety. So my job consisted at regulating food contaminants, packaging materials, all the nasty stuff that are added to our food, and making sure that Canadians are safe. So in 2013, I actually was my turning point. I decided to actually instead of regulating what was negative to our health, to create pure food and to put my effort and passion into what I wanted, clean food, without by giving actually people the not to have the worry of reading the label, but having 100% pure food. So that's when I came out with Nia Pure Nature. In fact, Nia means in Swahili intention. I wanted to stay with that pure intention that I had initially, and unwavering faith that what's needed to be done in terms of helping people. So now, 10 years later, I'm very grateful that products are all over Canada. Families are taking advantage of pure food, organic, time tested for their benefits. But amazingly, is that very small amount goes a long way, such as moringa. They taste good, and people can be assured that we go a long process to make sure there's zero contaminant. The way they are processed are very actually gentle, but make sure also the food or the products are pure. So let's stay tuned and let me tell you about the details about every product. Our superfood, I'll start with moringa. That's the superfood we started with about 13 years ago. And oh gosh, I can just talk on and on. I mean, that product is just the most amazing product that we have. I'm taking it every single day. My whole family actually is taking it every single day. And I'll invite you to read my book. If you're interested, I'll be happy to provide a copy of my book. For those who don't know, moringa is a superfood. It's called the miracle plant. It's been known for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine in Asia, Africa, everywhere. And I believe that is a product that now taking a momentum. More and more people are relying on it as their multivitamin. And so what makes our moringa particular, and it's that we freeze dry. We harvest every 3 months, so we have fresh moringa every 3 months. That means very green, potent in terms of nutrients, and high in chlorophyll. People can use a very small amount, just in their smoothies. You can take in dips, salad dressing. It can be added everywhere, or just make a shot. And we made actually moringa capsules available for those who don't have time making these recipes. So it's just easy to take. And the amazing thing about Nia Pure Nature moringa capsule is that it's made with tapioca flour, which is fermented tapioca flour we call pululan. And there is no excipient, that means such as other ingredients in the capsules. 100% pure moringa in the capsules. Beetroot are just amazing vegetable, and amazing. The reason why we freeze dried it is to make it convenient for people to use in their food. Can be added again to smoothies, salad dressing, ice cream. It can be added anywhere, and they are loaded with nutrients such as nitrate, folic acid, iron. Children love it, and especially when they are mixed with to brighten their food. Lastly, there's soursop. I'll be able to go through the details later on. Soursop is the latest product that we added, and what's so amazing about soursop, it comes actually as a soursop leaves, not the fruit. It helps people sleep better. It can be made as a tea, can be added in smoothies, can be made as a shot, and it's just a very small amount. It's very potent, so quarter teaspoon is sufficient. So adding to hot water, boiling, and then sipping it before going to sleep will guarantee well, for me anyway, and for most people that reported guarantee you good sleep. It's good for digestion and is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidant. So overall, our superfood is just organic, freeze-dried, good, of course, vegan. They are gluten-free. We make sure there's no gluten in the facility that we process. Lastly, they taste good. So a very small amount goes a long way. For the anti-aging skincare line, I had in mind for people leading a busy life like me, and also for affordability. I devised in three categories, actually two categories. One part, the ageless, would be for mature skin and for oily skin as well. And also the moisturizer, the hydrating part for fine lines and more younger skin. And I will go through the details later on. And to start with, the most important part of the skincare regimen is the cleanser. And most cleanser, in fact, are alkaline because they use sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide to make a soap. And unfortunately, that's not good for our skin because our skin is slightly acidic. pH is 5.5. So for that, I formulated our Cassil cleanser. And Cassil, in fact, is a leaf that is called Passil. It comes from East Africa. It grows in a wild. And the pH, when people grind and dry the leaf, and the pH is exactly the same pH as the skin. But what's so amazing about it is it doesn't dry the skin. It firms. It kind of firms the pores, and it gives that very silky look after cleansing. So with that, I added a couple of other ingredients such as aloe vera, green tea extract, beetroot. So it's easy to use on even removing mascara because it does not irritate the eyes. So it's a gentle exfoliant, it's a cleanser, but it also is a toner because no need to add a toner. So that's the first thing. And we are actually, it's very unique cleanser. That's very important to know that. So moringa oil that's what I recommend to be followed right after rinsing, just to give the body to reinstate even if there's a slight oil loss, but also to nourish the skin because moringa oil is really loaded with oleic acid, linoleic acid. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. It's actually, if anyone looking for the glow, natural glow, should use moringa oil, summer or winter. And that can be followed with anti-aging, such as if someone has mature skin, the ageless skincare line that has, just to talk about the ageless, I formulated with guarana. Guarana has in fact 5 times more caffeine than coffee, and that stimulates and regenerates the skin cells, and that's what I recommend for mature skin. The other one, for the fine line, the hydrating, it has moringa oil, but it has a lot of extracts such as gojic acid from the mushrooms, so it's really beneficial, especially for those with dry skin. Thank you. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer, and let us know. Thank you very much. Have a great day.